Today I'm going to show you how to mute a video clip. Super handy when you want to get rid of background noise or just add music instead of the original audio. Alright, let's get started. Open up your project and select the clip you want to mute. It should highlight in your timeline. Now look over to the right hand sidebar. You'll see an audio section there. Just drag the volume slider all the way to the left until it hits 0%. That's it. Your clip is now completely silent. Additionally, you can also right-click on your video and from audio option, choose mute. Your video will be instantly muted. You can play it back to make sure there's no sound. This is great when you're planning to add a voiceover or background music on top. And that's how easy it is to mute a clip in Clipchamp. Quick, clean, and super effective. If this helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Clipchamp tutorials.